Hi there, my name is Matt Faulkner. I'm the mayor for the city of Searcy. I'm here with Todd Phillips, our director of sanitation, and we are out here in the recycling center for Searcy, and we're coming to talk about an important topic today about recycling. It's something that's important to all of us. We want to be good stewards of our environment. We want to be good stewards of the city's funds, but there's some challenges that are not just unique to Searcy, but really unique, or not unique, but common to cities all across Arkansas and really the nation when it comes to recycling. So we want to discuss that today. So one of the challenges that we experience with recycling is this term contamination. And typically that's whenever there's items put into the bins that may contaminate or has the potential to contaminate an entire load. So what are the types of things that could contaminate a load of recycling?
Leftover food products can spill out and contaminate the whole load. Dishwashing soap, those type of materials can actually contaminate and make the whole load unusable.
So even though we may have some citizens that recycle properly in their bins, there may be some citizens, whether that's because they don't realize the types of things that can go into the bins, or they're maybe just using it as another trash bin. They're putting some items into the recycling bins, and then when those get put into the larger containers, it has the potential to contaminate. So what happens once there's a contaminated load?
The contaminated loads will have to be landfilled at that point.
Okay, so then the purpose or intent for recycling doesn't actually fulfill its purpose.
Exactly.
And that's the challenge that we're experiencing right now. And this is, again, not uncommon with cities all across Arkansas and the United States. It's just this maybe around, 20% actually gets recycled, somewhere in that neighborhood?
That's a national average, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
and so 80% ends up in a landfill. So we want to be good stewards. We want to recycle well. In addition to that, it's just the financial piece of it. So in 2024, I guess it cost the city a little over $500,000 for recycling services, and that's offset by the revenue from recycling, and that was a little over $100,000. So, I mean, there's about a $400,000 discrepancy there from what it costs the city to provide these services as opposed to the revenue that's produced.
Exactly.
So what we've been doing over the past year or more is really looking at our recycling program, listening to consultants, looking at how other communities are approaching their recycling, and really looking at the numbers as well as far as how much it costs to run our recycling program as opposed to the offset of how much revenue is generated from recycling. And so from all of that information, the cleanest way to recycle and the best way that we can be stewards of our environment and hopefully less material end up in a landfill is to really transition away from curbside pickup and really focus in on the drop-off option and make it as convenient and as easy as possible for our residents. So we're going to need everybody's help. This is going to be a team effort. We want to be great stewards for the community on our resources, on the funding, and then also what's best for the environment. So beginning October 6th, we're going to transition away from curbside pickup and really focus in on drop-off. So Todd, what are the times and days that the community can bring in their recycling?
At this time, we are open every day from 7 to 4, Monday through Friday, and we are looking at opening up on Saturdays in the future to make this easier for everyone.
Okay, so just you can keep up with all of this information on the city's website, cityofsearcy.org/recycling. There's more information available to you there, and we'll post the days and the times that the drop-off option is available to you.